In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to enable a bulk discount and tier pricing Shopify app. It all starts by installing an app suitable for this function. You will want to visit the Shopify App Store and initiate a search for a volume or tiered discount app. Kite is a great example of an app that serves this purpose, and you will want to click the Install button once you locate it. After the installation comes the creation of a new campaign. This can be easily done by opening the dashboard of the app you just installed. Look for a button or tab that says Create New Promotion and click on it. Within the options that appear, you are going to select Tiered Discount as the promotion type. Once done, the next step is to choose a discount type. You're presented with several choices, depending on the app you have chosen. You could go for a simple or an advanced tiered discount which provides more customization options. Now that the discount type is selected, the core setup comes next. Begin by naming the campaign. It should have a clear, descriptive title so that it's easy for you and others to identify quickly. The name could revolve around the kind of discount, the season, or the products associated, all aiming to provide a clearer identity. Next, select the products, collections, or tags that qualify for the discount. This means you need to choose to which of your items the discount will apply. You might want to think strategically here about the goods that could benefit the most from a sales boost. Following that, establish the tier basis. Decide what will trigger the tiered discount. Is it the quantity of the product bought, the overall amount spent, or the number of units? This is where you configure what customers need to do to qualify for the discount. Now comes the time to set the discount tiers. For each tier, define the conditions that need to be met by the customer and how much the discount amount or percentage will be. For instance, you might offer a 10% discount for quantities over 10 and a 20% discount for quantities over 20. To round off the core setup, you should set other conditions that may apply. These could be minimum purchase amounts, the type of customers who are eligible, or specific times when the discount would apply. This adds an additional layer of rules that the customer must meet to get the advantage of the discount. Once all these steps have been executed, it is important to test your discount. Ensure you save the campaign settings and try testing it using various scenarios to see if it functions as expected. This allows you to fine-tune or make any necessary adjustments before you go live with your new tiered discount campaign. And voila, you have now enabled and configured a bulk discount and tier pricing Shopify app.